With all news and experts speaking of an upcoming recession, it is suitable to be informed on what to do and how to survive it. Today we will show you 5 useful tips to go through it. Economic recessions are challenging times that test both personal and professional resilience. The downturn in economic activity can affect job security, investments, and overall financial stability. However, with strategic planning and prudent decisions, it's possible to navigate these rough waters more effectively. Here are 5 essential tips to help you thrive during a recession. 1. Reevaluate your budget and expenses. The first step in managing your finances during a recession is to take a closer look at your budget. Analyze your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize essential expenses such as housing, utilities, and food while reducing or eliminating non-essential spending. Creating a detailed budget will help you track your spending more effectively and ensure that you can maintain a financial cushion. It's also wise to build an emergency fund if you haven't already, as it provides a safety net in case of unexpected financial difficulties. 2. Embrace DIY solutions. During a recession, the impulse to cut costs can lead to looking for ways to save on everyday expenses. While many people are familiar with common cost-saving measures, one lesser-known tip is to embrace DIY solutions for things you might normally outsource. For example, you can learn to perform basic home repairs, handle simple vehicle maintenance, or even cook meals from scratch. Online tutorials and resources can provide step-by-step guidance for various DIY projects. Not only does this save money, but it can also be a rewarding and empowering experience. 3. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky during a recession. Diversifying your income streams can provide additional financial security. Consider exploring side hustles or freelance work that aligns with your skills and interests. Whether it's consulting, teaching, or creating online content, having multiple sources of income can help buffer against job loss or reduced hours. Investing in skills that allow you to engage in various types of work can offer additional stability and opportunities. 4. Review and adjust your investment strategy. Recessions often lead to market volatility, which can impact your investment portfolio. It's important to review your investment strategy and make adjustments as needed. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on a long-term strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes can also help mitigate risk. If necessary, consult with a financial advisor to ensure your investment strategy is robust and resilient in the face of economic uncertainty. 5. Stay informed and adaptable. In times of economic downturn, staying informed about the broader economic environment can help you make better financial decisions. Follow reliable news sources, stay updated on economic indicators, and be aware of government policies that may impact you. Being adaptable and open to changing your strategies in response to new information can also be advantageous. Flexibility allows you to respond effectively to evolving conditions and seize opportunities that may arise during the recession. Here you have them, 5 tips to go successfully through a recession. Let us know in the comments if you think a recession might be coming and what you will do to battle it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more quick advice.